When your SilvAIR instrument is ready for cleaning and sterilization, start by pulling apart the body from the base. SilvAIR's insert will still be attached. Apply gentle pressure and the insert will slide out. You now may begin your cleaning and sterilization protocols. Once SilvAIR's base is attached to the suction tubing, you then connect SilvAIR's body with the base. Following the directional arrow on the insert, you then drop the insert into the base. Using a sterilized mirror, you compress the insert until you hear 2 clicks. SilvAIR is now assembled. Following the directions on SilvAIR's body, you can now tell whether or not SilvAIR is in the off position or on position.